everyone he meets, he stays a stranger. Every move he makes, every chance he takes, all he wanna live to see tomorrow.
Okay, Max is doing the dead bug.
Yep.
Good boy, good boy.
Try that again. That wasn't good. Lay down. Roll over. Roll, 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 roll. Dead bug. Roll over and play dead. Roll over and play dead bug. Play dead bug. Right here. It's not. Lay down, play dead bug. Dead bug. Dead bug. Dead bug.
There it is.
Ever y'all saw a dead bug and dead bug? So dead bug Max at his finest. He don't have the muscle movement. Okay. Up. Sit. Twirl. Jump.
That's cute.
Easy. 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 That's better. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it.
This one's hard.
Okay.
Good boy.
Leave it. Okay, give it to me.
Hurry.
Give it to me. Give it to me.
Okay. Good job, Max. Look at Mama.
Hi guys, it is a gorgeous day in Babylon here on Friday the 13th, March 13th, 2015, and we came here to the Austin Dog Library. Austin Pets Alive, helping people help pets, and we're checking out a dog to, this is the Austin Dog Library where you actually come check out dogs to take on walks. So we tried to check out a dog and there was some technical difficulties of checking out the dog, and as we were checking out the dog, someone came and abandoned this little Yorkie. He was headed off to the dog pound, so we just decided to walk this dog, and so we're gonna take this little Yorkie home with us. Uh-oh, we got the Yorkie. He's gonna go attack that pit bull. This is Sunny the Yorkie.
Oh jeez, girl.
She's just peeing.
I'm sorry.
So anyway, this is Sunny's lucky day. So instead of going to the dog pound, he's coming home with us. And there you go.
Oh, that's not even a. That's an old.
You had a million cell phone chargers in your.
That's You're right. You found something.
All right, here's your new
our-
dog, Sunny. I got the guy's name and number in case you have any.
Yeah.
All right, you got your poop bag, Sunny.
I don't know if we can get this on here.
You just have to wrap it around itself, maybe.
Wrap it around the
Okay. So Sunny's off on a test run. So we'll see what the universe has in store for Sunny.
Okay.
Who are you checking? Are they checking out somebody?
Yeah, they've got.
Oh, they checked out like a pit bull?
She's real sweet.
Did she get along with
Well, I don't. That's
Yorkie Terriers? All right.
We're gonna find out.
We have checked out a pit bull and a Yorkie. All right, another adventure begins in Austin, Texas. Okay, on this gorgeous day in Babylon. This is your old Doomsday Dog Walker. I've got my Mighty Texas Dog Walk t-shirt on, and we're off on a dog walk in Babylon with our new dog who does not like to walk on leashes. I don't think Sunny is a leash trained dog. I think Sunny likes to be carried everywhere he goes. Okay, Sunny.
I have to go back. Oh, you got a bag.
I got the baggie. Off we go from the dog. We just walk from here. All right,
Sunny.
here we go.
And you about probably.
No sami widzicie, więc dam jej 2. No pozostałe się mieszczą w tym, więc po 3 dostają. 3, aromat. Jedziemy z tą. Może tym razem odczuć. Lekka nuta mielową, chyba gnusowa. Lekkawo. I lekki DMS. Albo inaczej, lekko siarkowy DMS. Siarka wyraźna. Jest. Zaraz. Siarka. DMS jest na do pytania. I
Smartest stuff. Now we ought to pick up the dog and move it over for him and see what